Alright, welcome back to part 2 of our 3-part series, and we shall continue from where we left off last time. And well, in this video we're going to try to make the nut. So we click on new part and you can just be able to see the dimensions from. So it's pretty much the same diameter. The only difference is the length is going to be like 36.4. So we try to select the material, and we're still going to be using 201 annealed steel. Okay, so we apply and we close. Okay, so we go on the front plane, select normal 2, we go on the hexagon, and right at the center there we can draw a hexagon. We'll give the circle of the hexagon a diameter of 80 millimeters. Okay, you can go on the extruded boss base. One thing we like to do is just change the plane to not the mid body, not the upper body, but just by the mid plane. Just to confirm, it's 36.4 millimeters, and we can just give a diameter of 36.4. Okay, that's that. We can click OK, and then next up we'll just like to draw our circle right in between. So we sketch, and we sketch a circle of, should be a diameter of 48 millimeters. Okay, and then we can extrude a cut, because that's where we're going to have our internal threads from. Okay, you can just be able to extend it just to make sure it does cut through. Okay, it's supposed to be a through and through. Alright, so in this case, one thing we'd like to do is yet again just try to chamfer the area. So we select the hexagonal plane, then we're going to sketch a circle that has got the same diameter as that of the hexagon, which is 80 millimeters. Let's just make sure it is 80 millimeters. It is. And we can go on the features and do an extruded cut, but it's going to be a slightly different extruded cut because we just want to try to chamfer the area. So just reverse the direction. Okay, and then we can select the flip to cut, flip side to cut, and we can give it an angle of 45, just increase the distance a bit, and yeah, there we go. Alright, so we want to chamfer both sides, so we can just select the linear pattern and go for the mirror. Okay, so in this case our plane is going to be the front plane. So right there on that yellow part, we go on the front plane, there's a drop down, just go on the yellow plane, and yeah, there we go, done. Okay, so we can go on our wizard over there. I'm going to go thread. Okay, so a start of a thread is definitely going to be the edge of our bolt, the edge of our extruded hole. So we can just go right there. Okay, I just like to change a few things there. One of the things I have to change is the fact that they are going to be internal threads, so there's no need for us to change that, but they have to be left-handed threads because those are the threads we had. You can just offset a bit. What we want to do is just to be able to center the threads to a point where they're not starting from a particular point. They just, yeah, just like that. We just want them to be in between, right, so that the screw can be able to go around the bolt without having any issues. And oh, yeah. Okay, so we do have our internal threads. Yeah, so next thing we want to do is just to save, or you can give it a name of a nut, if you will. Yeah, that's it for this video. It's a very short video. We just want to have a better understanding how to design a nut. Yeah, and in the next video we're going to be making our very first assembly, so that's quite exciting. And then if possible, we should be able to do a motion study with the bolt, with a nut trying to be screwed by the bolt, so on the bolt. So thank you very much for watching.